Deep within the lush gardens of Sri Lanka, an unexpected encounter is taking place. This tiny garden bird has stumbled upon a strange, flawless stranger. To us, it's just a mirror, but to this territorial creature, it is an uninvited intruder trespassing on its home turf. Every movement it makes is instantly mirrored back, fueling its confusion and resolve. It knocks forcefully, demanding an explanation. "Who are you?" it seems to ask. The phantom rival refuses to back down, matching every strike beak for beak. Realizing this is a battle with no end, our feisty defender flies off to guard the rest of its kingdom, a modern mystery left unsolved in the wild.